In this video, we are going to show you or explain to you how to make money with Manus AI agents in 2026. Now, it's not like GPT or ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini. Sure, they do have premium or subscription forms or forms of subscription based service that adds to the free version. But Manus AI, somewhat the same thing, but most of the amazing things it can do is pretty much based on credits that you create or you use, right? So with that said, you can, if you're a graphic designer, you can make things faster. For example, if you have an image you want to change it, you don't need to use Leonardo AI or other like image generation AI processes or agents to change that for you. You just go to Manus AI. For example, you have a video or an image of a dog. Hey, it's a black Labrador. Make it into a golden retriever. You can do that, right? Or if you don't not know how to code, you can still be a back end person and like, hey, I can code and just make sure to be adept in prompting. That's the important thing. You can have a job as a coder using Manus AI, even though you have zero knowledge of what's going on, because when you make a website, for example, using Manus AI, it course corrects, it self corrects. It just doesn't write code and then give it to you. It just writes code, tests it, finds errors, finds mistakes, corrects it, tests it again until it's streamlined, until it's perfect, right? Another thing is you can, if you want to create AI videos, you can actually just use Manus AI, and that's the thing I'm going to show you right now. So, for example, I want you to create a 5-second clip, AI generated video clip of a man fishing, right? Make it ultra realistic. You can just do that, and Manus AI is going to start thinking of how to do this. And again, depending on what you do with it, it's going to burn through your credits. So as you can see here, I would love to create ultra realistic. However, a generation is a premium feature that requires a subscription base. Would you like to upgrade your plan, or should I generate a stunning ultra realistic image of a man? So again, all of this. So let's just see what it generates for an image, right? Like what I said, you see that it's pretty much paywalled, but with good reason, right? There we go. So access video generation features on your current plan to proceed. Create a 5-second. Okay, as you can see, then I'm just gonna say, then make an image instead, right? There you go. And so it's going to create an image, right? So if we go to the computer, right? This is his computer. This is where you're gonna see how it's creating, what it's doing, right? What creating what you want it to do, right? So let's just wait for it to create an image. Again, you can be a graphic designer, a graphic artist. You can be a video editor. You can be pretty much anything, right? You can be a content writer. You can be an accountant. You just need to prompt properly. So the important key with Manus AI, or just AI in general, is you need to have at least decent prompting skills. So as you can see, it created a image of a man fishing. There you go. It looks like a real person. And if you count the fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks real, right? So that's one of the ways to do so. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.